Go to sleep now, Jaden.
My feet. My feet.
Huh?
My feet.
Your feet.
My feet. My feet.
Jaden, where do you want to sleep? Mama's bed or Jaden's bed?
Mama bear.
Mama bed.
Yeah.
Oh, go on then. Go sleep Mama bed. No, up there. Stop dancing now. Say good night. Good night. Oh no, Jaden.
My feet. My feet.
You
My
see?
feet. My feet.
No, you cannot see. I'll show you later. Go sleep now.
My feet.
Hmm?
My feet.
Mama, go get Kenneth now.
My feet.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Jaden, say bye-bye.
Bye.